Hello and welcome. My name is Kathy A, and today I'm doing a collaboration with two other wonderful ladies from the YouTube mature community, and our collaboration is on the topic of our 5 favorite lippies and blushes for springtime. And I'm collabing with Beth from FiftyPlusBeauty, and she is an amazing fairly new YouTube vlogger. She does a wonderful channel. She's got it all right. She's got great lighting. She's a very personable person. She keeps it short enough so that, you know, our limited attention spans are fulfilled in a whole video. She's very, very kind. She's beautiful, and she's actually my age too, so I can really relate to her. And she's always trying new things and talking about subjects of interest, and she knows her stuff. So I really like the idea that Beth is in this collaboration. Also in this collaboration is Donna from Donna's Mature Life, and she is somebody I've known for a couple of years now here on YouTube. We've emailed back and forth, and she's just a really nice lady. She's on a new journey. She is a vegetarian and going vegan. She's taken that compassionate aspect to her life into her beauty and makeup routine. So I'm sure her particular choices for this particular collaboration will be cruelty-free choices and probably vegan choices as well. So I'm excited to see her video, and I do hope you check out both of these ladies after you watch my video, of course. Welcome, my name's Kathy A, and let's get started. 5 lippies. Well, you know, it's really hard to choose. I always think, well, when spring is here, and it's really hard to, because right now in Connecticut it's a blizzard out there. I mean, it's just coming down like an inch every 5 minutes, it seems. I think of spring as being fresh and pretty and pinks and corals and yellows. And so the lippies, what I'm wearing today actually, this is Dose of Colors, and this is called Happy Hour, and I will just swatch it for you on the back of my hand. Dose of Colors. Very, very moisturizing. Tastes like cupcake frosting. Really good. And a lower cost kind of alternative to this is actually NYX in Indian Pink. This is a really beautiful lipstick. I love this. It's very similar, but it's more of a satiny look rather than a glossy look. And I love this one. I'll just put it over the top. These bright corals are my favorites for spring, and I think this is just a great alternative. They're similar colors, but slightly different textures, and I think that that is, I'm just going to count that as one because, you know, I'm giving you a kind of a low-cost alternative to some of these. My second choice is from Honest Beauty, and you can find this brand in Target of all places, as well as their own website. This is called Soft Raspberry Kiss, and this is one of their kind of chubby sticks. It's kind of a pretty soft, sort of muted raspberry color. Very, very pretty for spring. My next choice is actually a very pretty kind of satiny pink, and it is from Maybelline, their 24-hour Superstay color. This is the one that has 2 parts. The first part is the color, which you paint onto your lips, and this is called Blush On. What a pretty, pretty pink. Slightly blue tone pink, very shimmery. Now you let that dry, then you turn it over to the other side and pull it off, and you've got a lip balm. So once this dries, and it does dry and stay forever, I mean, after I wash my hand, this will not come off for a while. This is a balm that you would put over right over the top, and it smooths it out. It makes it feel like silk on your lips. It's absolutely beautiful. The color is Blush On. Really beautiful. For my fourth choice, this is L'Oreal in number 916. And this is called Luminous Coral, I believe. Yes, Luminous Coral. This is a soft, peachy, pink color. It just screams pink to me. It's very, very kind of glossy for a color, and then this is the new formula from L'Oreal. So number 916. And my fifth choice is actually from Essence. It's a very affordable brand. You can find this in Ulta. That's where I found mine. This is the Water Kiss lip color, which is something new from them. And this is called Mermaid's Diary. So this is a very silky, beautiful finish, very sheer, but you get a pretty kind of pink color from there. It's a warm pink color, and it's very hydrating. It's really great, especially for those of us with dry, cracked lips like me. So with lip colors, I also do like to line my lips beforehand, and I use different colors depending on the tone and the general darkness or lightness of the particular lip product I'm using. So the first one is the Urban Decay lip liner in Interrogate, and I use this of course with all my peach colors. It's a very kind of a warm neutral color that's kind of bright, and it's really good to use with the more peachier tones. The other one I like to use is Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and that's more of a mauvey, nudie kind of color, and that makes a great base for the more the pinker tones. Colors will go really well with that. So I always think it's important to line your lips underneath, and it really helps their staying power over time. Now, I've been very picky about my lip products. They have to last, they have to look nice on, they have to make my lips feel hydrated, they can't make them dry. So those were my spring lippies, and let's do the spring blushes. I have to start off with the Balm, because I think the Balm makes some of the best blushes out there. And this is a really nice assortment of not only blushes and highlighters, but there's also eyeshadows in here. But I love three of the blushes that are in here are all absolutely wonderful. This particular one I don't have in any other form. I love this. This is the Frat Boy, and it's kind of a light, I'm just going to put it right here. It's kind of a light blue toned pink, and that's Frat Boy. So that is from the Balm. And that's my kind of my pink go-to, depending on what I'm wearing. Milani has these Beauty's Touch illuminating powders, but this one actually is so pigmented you can use it as a blush, especially in the daytime. This is awfully pretty. I swirl a brush in it completely. So that I get all of the colors mixed together. It makes a very pretty, let's see if we can do this. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's more of a peachier look. This particular color is called number 03 Beauty's Touch, and it's the illuminating face powder from Milani, so it makes that. And I like that just for daytime while I'm still fish belly white before the sun comes and summer comes. So that is that. The next one is from Wet n Wild, and this is an oldie but goodie for me. This is the Pearlescent Pink, which is very much like the NARS Orgasm Blush. And you get kind of a really pretty, peachy, warm color from this. And this lasts quite a while. It really is a wonderful blush. I hate their packaging. I may just kind of depot them and put that in a different vessel, but it's so pretty on. Now these scream pink. This is from Clinique, and these are their Pop Blush Pops, and this is Pink Pop number 12. Pink Pop number 12. And these also have the flower imprint on them. I don't know if you can see that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me just do a little swatchy of this. And this is a perfect warm pink for me. This is one of my favorites. It's very pigmented. And I love the flower. I mean, it's just so happy. It's just a happy thing. The last one, well, almost the last one, is Dandelion from Benefit. I think that this is like everybody who has medium light skin or light skin should have this in their blush wardrobe. This is Dandelion from Benefit. I'm just going to swatch it here. It's very sheer and very, very subtle. I mean, you can build it up and it just looks so pretty on. And it's a subtle kind of blush. It's not strong. You won't look like a clown in the circus. So I think that that is just so pretty. So between these 5 blushes, I think you've really got it made with the spring thing. I did want to add, these are fairly new. They're from Essence and they're called My Must-Haves. And they have eyeshadows and blushes. And this one is number 02 Strawberry Smoothie. I'm just going to put these in as kind of a runner-up because they are incredibly pigmented. They're just so tiny. That's Strawberry Smoothie. Put that right there. And this one is Rosy Glow number 3. Let me just, Rosy Glow number 3. And this is kind of a rose blush. I've been using this in the winter time, so I didn't use it in this spring thing, but I really do like these. I think they're so clever. And how easy is that to travel with? My goodness, really great. So I kind of snuck a couple of extras in there. However, these are the main players here. And gosh, I can't wait to see what Beth and what Donna have up their sleeves. So I hope all of you are having a wonderful week and have a beautiful day. Take care. Toodles.